Hello everyone, this is Ankur. Today we will write a function problem of Hackerrank. So let's get started. The problem is we have to check the given year is leap year or not. So the condition is if the year can be divided by 4, then it is leap year. When it is not divided by 100, okay, and the year is also leap year when it is divided by 400. So we have to apply this logic, and there is a given also an example. So let's do it. So first we will select Python3. Now we add our logic here. Now first we apply if year is divided by 4 and equal to 0, then and year is divided by 100 but not equal to 0, then but remainder is not equal to 0, then it is leap year, otherwise it is not a leap year. So we write leap equal to 2, so we return true. Another conditional is year divided by 400, then we set leap, then we return leap equal to true. So our program is ready. Now time to check it. So first we will run it. So it passed the test cases. Now we submit it. So it passed all the test cases. So our solution is here. If you like this video, then please subscribe my channel and share it to your friends. Thank you.